So Wesley just called me and said, hey, come outside, I want to show you something. So let's see what he's got. What is this?
On this episode, Vince.
Oh, that's my job. On this episode of Inspiration Nation, Wesley bought a truck. Dude, I knew I would make you a Chevy man before it was over with. We got a new project truck, and this one is Wesley's. We have got a 1999 single cab short bed V8 truck. Wesley was fortunate enough for it to already have the HD front end conversion, so you got that taller hood up on there. Now, he hasn't cleaned it or anything. All right.
A little dirty.
A little dirty. Missing some clips, but
Just a couple.
just a couple. A lot of cleaning to do.
Yeah, we have a lot of cleaning to do.
What, you got a mouse in your pocket? You bring the project car, you clean the project car. That's the way that works. All right, so you picked it up yesterday. I know there's some kind of build plan going on here. What's rolling in the head to make it Westlified?
We're thinking probably dropping 2 inches in the front, 4 inches in the back.
Okay, got to get that ride right. We got to do something about the green hood.
Oh yeah, this has definitely got to be painted.
And everybody, that is the chicken Earl. He don't care about your YouTube audio, so
Shut up, Earl.
the bed's in pretty good shape.
Yeah, the bed's in great shape.
Cut. Action. There you go. It's in good shape. The bed, the tailgate closes good.
That didn't happen.
So we're gonna do a roll pan or a bumper?
We're doing a steel roll pan. Gonna keep it flush, no bumper in the rear.
Still roll pan. Okay. So lowered roll pan, HD front end.
Exhaust work, of course. Some of this molding on the side.
Yeah, you know, it's a little body work, little debadging. Blue interior. Headliner's good. You even got a turkey feather. Better show that to Earl. Maybe he'll be quiet.
Shut up, Earl. Little stuff.
Little stuff.
Little stuff. Next step is to get the cleaning.
Get the cleaning. No. We've introduced it. The next step, we've got to name it. We need a name for the truck. Down in the comment section while you're watching the video, brainstorm a name. We got to figure it out. It's got to be cool. It's got to be unique. Get to cleaning. Have you found any treasures back here? Lots of glass.
Lots of glass.
Yay. I feel like right now we need to superimpose that song if it's not copyrighted. I'm working 9 to 5, trying to make a live. Ooh, that's sparkly. Look at that. This is a magnificent specimen coming up here all slinky like. Any day now. We're on your time. Photo op. Here's your puppy. Shop puppy. Give me that ball. Oh, give me that ball. Stingy ass. You know, I'm not good at this. So, Wesley, cue the cinematics. All right, it's reveal time. We've done quite a bit of just cleanup work and making the truck suitable for a good baseline project start. And there you have it, guys, the introduction to the channel of Wesley's new toy. Now make sure you join us on the next one where we install the cold air intake. It is the first modification on the NBS truck of Wesley's. And we still need that name though, so before you leave us, hit that like, share, and subscribe, and leave in the comment section what we should name Wesley's new truck.